Gentlemen, now take a step backward with the left leg, rotating counterclockwise to face the audience. Then shift your weight between your legs, draw a small semicircle with your right hand to pull the lady into the counterclockwise rotation. Once she gets in front of you, place your hands around her and on her back, then shift your weight to the left leg a bit more, bend your left knee slightly, rotate your body counterclockwise and straighten your elbows to lead the partner into a small dip. Then shift your weight between your legs again, pulling the lady back to the vertical position. Connect right foot to left foot and change the connection to create the frame. Let's go over this again to focus on the hands. Use the left hand to gently push the lady away from you, then place the left hand behind your back, right hand keeps holding the lady's wrist. While shifting your weight to the right, rotate the lady. Start by leading the right hand slightly forward and to the left to lead the partner in front of you, then the hand goes backward and to the right, drawing a semicircle which initiates the rotation. Let go of her hand rather quickly, then place your right hand around her waist and on her back, left hand goes between her shoulder blades. Let's turn around to show this from the front. The hands should end up in this position. Left hand is above the right one. While going into the dip, straighten your elbows, don't lean over the partner, keep your back straight to create the counterweight. Shift your weight between your legs, pulling the lady back to the vertical position, then shift your weight to the left leg, connecting right foot to left foot and creating the frame.